Hi, good evening. I am Mayank. I am from South India. Um, I am of an interview of Radiance Cosmedic Centers because I have hair losses before I think now 10 years after my plus 2 or graduation time. I have lots of hair fall, but that time I not care about it. After I got a job, then I settled in Delhi. That time my hair loss is very bigger than older age, lower age. That time I heard about the hair transplantation treatment, but I do not agree or like with that type of procedures. After some years ago, 5 years in Delhi, my hair loss is very bigger than bigger. That time I will research about hair transplantation. Most of my colleagues and friends have said that the hair transplantation procedure is very big and it is a big treatment, and if we done the hair transplantation, we have lots of problems and side effects will occur from our body. But I research through internet and I visit two two centers for hair transplantation. After that, I confirmed that the Radiance Cosmedic Centre. Then I consult Dr. Mayank Singh, and he is a very good doctor, and he sets how the procedures are starts, what are the precisions and other materials done with us. I think within 2 or 3 months I am preparing for the hair transplantation. After visit the Radiance Cosmetic Center, I need the confidence to do the surgery. Most of my friends and colleagues said surgery is very painful and lots of problem. But in my concern after the surgery, I have no pain, no small pain. I have no small pain. That is the thing in my mind, and I have no side effects. After surgery, I have normally working days. After 2 days, I think 2 or 3 days, I rest. After that, I will rejoin my job, and my daily routine are same, no problem. Main thing is no pain loss. That is the main fact of the hair transplantation surgery. I have no painful in my surgery. It's on my mind. It's my own words from my mind. Not forcing another people or anybody, not forcing for that, because most of the people and friends are saying about after hair transplantation is very painful, but I am actually done the hair transplantation. You can see my pictures before the interview of my how the hairs are in my head and what are the changes after the 4 months. Now the interview going on after my 4 months result, and after the surgery, I done total 3 PRP. First is done on the time of surgery, and after 1.5 second PRP, and last after 2 months then the third PRP. But I am very comfortable and I have lots of change in my professional and career, because I am very happy. After the surgery, I will totally change. Before the surgery, my hair is very far. I will very shy about in front of people, and also because I am now 29 years of a person. On that, before the surgery, they looks me as a 35 or 36 years of age. But now I am very comfortable with my face. Checks about my result, you can also see that my difference between my pictures. It is the main result. And once again, I say the surgery and the hospitality of the peoples in the Radiance Cosmetic Centre, they are very friendly and treating us very much precious, and I am very thankful to doctor and